Napakaliit po ito na bagay pero napakalaki po nito. Otherwise, sasabihin nila lahat na lang ng development nasa Luzon na lang. Napakalaki po ito. 130 million nang hindi natin mabuo-buo. Parang kaya ina-appreciate ko po na maglalagay po tayo dito. So, if I am allowed to present the proper motion, Mr. Chairman, may I?
Go ahead, Minority Leader Labanan.
Madam Chair, Mr. Chairman, I move that we return the 130 million appropriation in the NEP for the Sorsogon-Samar Link Bridge feasibility study to be carved out from the feasibility study fund in the PWH budget.
Second the motion. Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Second.
On the part of the House, we approve the motion.
We second the motion.
And with the second, we approve the motion. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Mr. Chairman. Plus, just
Thank you,
like
Mr. Chairman.
to
Thank you.
support this. You know why, Mr. Chairman? Because once we have the bridge from Luzon to the Visayas, the next one will be from the Visayas to Mindanao. There is no other way to develop far-flung Mindanao but to have a seamless travel from Mindanao through Surigao, through Leyte, then Samar to Matnog. And that is why I'm not going to ask now for that feasibility study, but next year, let me therefore give my already notice to appeal to the senators and the congressmen that next year there will be another 130 million for Mindanao to Visayas. Mr. Chairman, NGCP first started to connect Manila to Visayas. That was 5 years ago. 2 years ago, NGCP connected Visayas to Mindanao. We're now interconnected the entire grid of NGCP. So production in Mindanao can be brought to Luzon through the Visayas. So let me just give notice with the support of Senator Legarda that the next one, next year, will be asking for that so that matapos yung feasibility study for Samar to Matnog, and then we will have Surigao to Leyte. Thank you very much. This is for Mindanao, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Mr. President, last na po. I wholeheartedly agree with the proposal for the Sorsogon to Samar as well as the Visayas to the Mindanao study. Palagay na po nyo sa NEP para hindi na, but we fully support that. That's really going to be a game changer for the country.
Just a quick question. If it's Matnog to Allen, what will it be from Maasin to Surigao?
Lipata to Surigao. Surigao City to Liloan. Lipata, Surigao to Liloan, Leyte. Oh, it's only about 28 kilometers. Yeah.
Mr. Chairman,
So this very, very near. In
Itong-
China, they have eight bridges in China over 100 kilometers each.
Mr. Chairman, we are now constructing the Cavite-Bataan bridge, which is 37 kilometers. And yung kanila, yung Leyte to Surigao is only 28. Mas maiksi ito. Ang Allen is, if you go from Labisaris to Matnog, it is 24 kilometers. Pag dumaan ka sa mga islands, 27 kilometers.
All right, let's may I have a motion to approve the budget of the Public Works and Highways.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Duly seconded. The budget of the Department of Public Works and Highways is duly approved. Ay, salamat.
Send with.
Alin mo